Yeah, I got my slaves here, you know, just taping it up. Yo, Tommy Pickles, relax. Cuidado, muchacho.
Elijah, get down from there, I said.
You heard him hiccup?
I was seeing what you doing.
You don't have to be up there, my dude.
You're not recording. Let's see what they was recording.
I told you I'm PewDiePie. Bro, I'm telling you.
That was you.
That was you, Elijah.
This dude is he slick.
Apetoso, you stink. Yo, you got that on camera, right?
Yes, sir. Get off of me. Kid, this he slick.
Delete it, delete it.
It's deleted. It's deleted. It's deleted. Yeah. See that 6-pack I got, baby? Go ahead, hit it. Hit it. That's it. You only get one hit. Kid, he's slick. He's gonna keep on abusing me. I told him, go ahead, hit me right in the stomach. Hit him now.
Elijah, be careful.
Yeah, I'm PewDiePie. Yeah, I mean, if he keeps on hitting in one spot, it's gonna take damage, right there.
Strong as dude.
It's strong, dude. Bro, you need to go inside with them hiccups. God, what are you doing, little kid?
Shoot.
Oh, shit. Might as well just straight on your motor, too.
Want me to? Yeah, but it doesn't have the heads all out. I mean, the pistons. It has oil in it, too.
You can cover that up in the top. Back, you really don't see it.
Yeah. Man, shit looks like they clean. Is it cool if I get all this aquí arriba a little or no? Todo. I like it. Is there any more brushes over there? Give me a better brush, yeah. Okay. Those are little as hell. I ain't gonna do nothing. I'm gonna record when I'm done.
Focus on the mirrors, what you think.
Yeah, we got some crud and shit. Nuevo. I mean, it looks way lighter than it did before. Yes, sir. Damn, you wet the whole seat, mother flower. Oh, look at the little rainbows. Cuidado si hay drippy drip, oíste. I don't know if you can see the sparkles, but can you? I don't think you can see the sparkles in here.
FBI, open up. Dad, FBI.
Fuck it. It's a good 10 feeder. Let me see it over here. Wow. Get engine.
See if it can maneuver around to get down. It's gonna start.
Hold up. Hold up. Hold up.
Scared of fucking.
Big chungus came through, nigga.
Man, they've been sleeping at 6 o'clock in the morning, bro.
That's what I do, man. All them fireworks are keeping me up.
Oh, yeah?
Then you, guaja, this is, let me mash your hides anyways. Want me to maneuver it?
Yeah.
shit needs to be cleaned.
Someone say power. We got no primer, but we're just gonna paint it and then clear coat it. That's how it looks now. I'll show you when it's done. I found primer. This is the first coat of this. I'm gonna spray it again. Second coat. Looks good so far. Before the clear coat. I'm gonna use this clear.
Yes, look, you just stepped on the harness.
What?
Okay, harness. Go ahead. You can't get out, bro.
I gotta go to the gym today.
Go ahead, get out. You fucking Oh, yes.
Yo!
Yo!
You're fucking gay, nigga! Francis!
Why you built, nigga? For what? For what? You only. Oh, shit. Fucking pussy. Come here. I gotcha. Oh, fuck.
Yo! What?
Gay!
This motherfucker says. This motherfucker says. Oh!
Rudy!
My dick got too close. I was like, fuck, let me stop.
What? Yo, what got too close? Kevin don't want no part of that.
I can already tell if this nigga goes to jail, they'll turn this nigga gay straight. The first day.
Gay or straight?
He's already gay, so how will they put him gay?
You mean they gonna fix me, daddy?
Fix you.
Man.
Is it?
Yeah.
Turn it off and turn it back on.
Now it is.
Hold up. Get some starter fluid.
I want to see if this shit's throwing off spark anyways first.
Let's see if she's getting some sparky. Boom.
It's getting spark.
No gasolina check.
Kid bugging out.
Boys, don't forget to have a
Fire extinguisher.
fire extinguisher.
Get the fuck out of here.
Stop.
Kevin. You just keep on going. The fuck was that?
What nigga doing? That's the motherfucker.
Just in case.
Let's do a compression test. Ese compression está medio low, papi.
Same shit.
B20 what?
B20B. That last one, that's gonna be the troublemaker. This will be on 0. The motor looks good though. It's prettier.
This one's way higher.
There's the troublemaker. Watch. Yeah, that's it?
Yeah.
This nigga got nothing.
Shit got no compression.
Told you.
Nigga, you jinxed it, bitch.
I knew it was gonna happen, bro.
It's probably the valves.
Big air.
I gotta catch on fire. There's no gas.
You never know, bro.
You wanna clean that shit? I got you. We could clean it.
Clean what? Ahí va.
Is it on?
It's on.
Big air.
I only hear the fuel pump blow.
Which one, man? That mama, bro. Nigga blew up the fuel pump too, man.
It's not getting sparks. It's not gonna do.
So I took off the spring and retainer off of this cylinder, which is cylinder 4, which is the one that was dead. These valves were dirty as fuck. They wouldn't move freely at all. There goes the spring and retainer. I gotta put my hand underneath. Couldn't even do that before. Especially on this one. I had to use force to take that one actually out. A lot of force. Not bent or anything. They're like super gunky around here too. Like mad shit. So I feel comfortable enough throwing this head back on.
Just in case.
Ready? Go.
This piece of shit. My friend has a little leak in the top. Like a little leak.